To print the labels, we assume that you have a printer installed and that printer can accept the required stationery. You may have either just designed a new label, or may need to retrieve a previously saved label. Once the label is displayed on your software canvas, press the print icon. This screen will pop up. All the instructions on the options screen are pretty straightforward. But let us explain each one of them. Do you want to print multiple pages or multiple labels of the same label? Let's say price tags for a particular item in your store. Then select this option. You may further select how many labels you want to print. If you want to print few or single label, select this option. If you select this option, another screen is displayed with tick marks on each label. You may remove the tick marks and the software will print only on the labels which are left ticked. One interesting feature of this option is that if on a sheet you printed only 2 labels previously, then you can untick the first 2 and start from the next so that your stationery will not be wasted. Then you have a few other options like print crop marks, print corner marks, print file name on top of page, print file name at the bottom of the page. Pretty straightforward. Happy printing!